Hi everyone, welcome to my channel GS2 Big Data. In this video, I will talk about default exchange in AMQP or RabbitMQ. So let's get started. Remember, this video is the part of tutorial series on RabbitMQ in Java. If you have watched my previous video on elements of RabbitMQ, you already know that I can send a message directly to a queue without involving any exchange in RabbitMQ. So when we directly send a message to a queue, RabbitMQ involves something called default exchange, even if you do not specify any exchange name. So this is a short topic. I will quickly take you through this. So let's say I am publishing a message to my queue called sports queue without specifying the exchange name. So you know this method channel.basic_publish, which is used to publish a message to the exchange. So I am publishing a message without specifying any exchange name and routing key as the sports queue. Once I publish this message, I can have subscribers listening to the queue sports queue and I will receive the message. So you can see that I sent 4 messages, default exchange example 0, 1, 2, 3, and I am also getting it as part of the output. So to demonstrate this to you, I already have the code in my IntelliJ IDE. So this code was already explained in the elements of RabbitMQ tutorial. I have the queue name as Q1 and the AMQP connection URL amqp:/guest:/guest@localhost 5672. And I have a message publisher which is publishing the message inside a for loop, and I am publishing 4 messages without specifying any exchange name. You can see that I am using channel.basic_publish. I did not specify any exchange name, and in the routing key only I am specifying my queue name. So this is slightly different than what you have seen in all 4 types of exchanges. And then I have my subscriber listening to the queue. So I will run my subscriber first just to make sure that there were no previously sent messages on the queue. And then I will go and run my publisher. So my publisher has published the 4 messages, and you can see in my message subscriber I have received all the 4 messages. So this is a very simple and straightforward way to send messages. We do not recommend using any queue directly, but this is also possible, and when we do not specify any exchange name, RabbitMQ involves its default exchange. So I already have created the article related to default exchange on my blog. I will share the link in the comments below. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I will see you in the next video. You can put your questions in the comments below.